How to find out whether your mobile is real or fake? To find out whether the mobile is real or fake, you will need the IMEI number. For this, dial *#06# number. Now type the 15-digit IMEI number of your mobile by giving space after writing KYM and send SMS it to 14422. If the reply is IMEI is valid in the message reply, then it means that your mobile phone is genuine. Apart from this, you can also check your phone by visiting cia.gov.in/device/cimei-verification.jsp. After visiting this site, enter 10-digit mobile and log in with OTP. Now check the phone by entering IMEI number. This way you can find out fake or real mobile brand.